respected chief guest, beloved teachers, and respected parents, and all my loving children. Once again, very good morning to you all. Good. On the occasion of 80th Independence Day celebration, I wish you all very happy Independence Day to you all. Good. And today, dear students, as we stand very proudly under beneath of our tricolor flag, let us first remember that the freedom now we are experiencing, the freedom now we are enjoying. Dear students, I am talking to you only. The freedom now we are experiencing, it's not that we have received as a gift simply. Sir, that we have earned through courage, determination, dedication of our freedom fighters. They have fought for our nation, and because of their love for our motherland, that we have received and we are enjoying now. As a children, I would like to ask you a question. What is the true independence means? Is it simply enjoying and celebrating the Independence Day celebration by hoisting flag and having tiny small flag on our shoulders and enjoying the holiday? Is it so? No, my dear children. The true independence means the courage to choose what is right. The courage to choose what is right in our life. I would like to share a few small story in front of you. Like me, a teacher went to the classroom and asked the students a question. Dear students, the question is for you also. She asked her children, who wants to change the world? Who wants to change the world? Let me ask you all. Who wants to change the world? None of you? If it's so, raise a hand. Who wants to change your world? None of you, very few. Good. Most of them. So, the students are also, total students in the class, they raise their hands for changing the world. She put a second question. Who wants to change your nation? Good. Again, few hands were raised. And finally she asked, who wants to change yourself first? There is a pin. Good. I appreciate you. Few of the students are raising their hands. But when the teacher is asking question in the classroom, the total class were kept calm, quiet. None of them are raising their hands. Their silence gave a powerful message for each and every one of us. Yes, dear students. So if you want to change the world first, you have to change yourself. So if you are good enough, and your family and your parents and your culture and the surroundings may be. If your surrounding is good enough, you can able to change your own colony and the location where you are. If your village or town is changed and your total city is changed. If one city is good enough and you are able to change the total nation. So if you want to first change the nation, you want to build a better version of yourself first. Yes, dear students, as you are now, very many people used to say that you are the future of India. Now I am telling you, you are the part of present India right now. You are the part of present India right now. So, every time when you choose honesty, then cheating, and you are helping our nation to strength. Every time when you respect your parents, teachers, and elders, and you are strengthening our nation. Every time when you love your parents, when you accept the nature above all, when you use the technology responsibly, and every time when you control your anger, every time you protect the nature, every time you stand against the injustice, always there you are building our nation, you are strengthening our nation. So that's why I told you, you are not a future and you are part of present India, my dear children. So as we are celebrating 80th Independence Day celebration today, and the main theme, Yuva Shakti. Yuva Shakti. Are you all? You. Am I right? The India, the future India, Yuva Shakti, and what do you say that? Vikshit Bharat. Vikshit Bharat means Yuva Shakti, the power of youth. And Vikshit Bharat in 2047. When our India will celebrate the 100 years of Independence Day, by the time our India will fully developed because of the power of youth present here. That's why I mentioned you. You are part of India now. You are part of the present India now. So how can we make it a part of India? Always being responsible, respective, and happy in moving around and obeying your elders. By little words and actions make others happy enough. So dear children, so you may be in future doctor, engineer, scientist, and whatever the highest position will be there in the world. So you will be reaching one day. So don't forget that, carry the values of the Sri Sailamada English Medium High School, that you are trained by it, and carry the proud and worth of our nation India. It will guide you and it will show you in a greater path. On this special time, I ask you, my dear children, to take a oath, to take a promise to our India. So let us repeat after me. I will promise to be a better Indian in my future by respecting my responsibility and behaving well. I will be a great person who can make difference in the life of others. I will be a great person. I never give up my values until I reach my goal. By always having the great quality, my dear children, you will reach the goal. You will able to build the nation. You will able to protect our country. So the power is in you, the strength is in you, the courage is in you. Make it arise, shine, and work for our nation. Thank you. Thank you, my dear children, by allowing me to speak. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.